Hello everyone! Today we're gonna do finger play song that's called 5 Elephant in the Bathtub. Are you ready? One elephant in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splish, splish, come on in. Two elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splish, splish, come on in. Three elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Four elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Five elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, they all fell in. Let's do again with the elephant. Are you ready? This is the bathtub. I invite the elephant. Ready? One elephant in the bathtub going for a swim. Now, splash, splash, come on in. Oh, he invited his friends. How many are they? 1, 2. Ready? Two elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Now, splash, splash, come on in. So one more elephant is coming. 1, 2, 3. Three elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Now, splash, splash, come on in. Wow, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, splash, splash, come on in. Wow, lots of elephants. They okay? Let's sing it. 5 elephants in the bathtub going for a swim. Knock, splash, splash, they all fell in. Oops. Elephants are very heavy. Thank you for joining us. Bye.